Hi guys, so I've just got home from work and I've had a little box arrive for me today. It's for the ST, as all things are that I seem to buy at the minute. Last year on my MOT I had an advisory about my rear number plates being slightly different colours. Don't know why it made such a big deal, but yeah, there you go. So, I decided since my MOT's up next month, I've ordered a pair of these. So what I'm going to do a bit later when it goes a bit darker, I've just been outside to try, but it's, yeah, you can't really see the number plate lights at the minute, so when it gets a bit darker later I'm going to take a video, let you see what they're like at the minute, and then tomorrow I'm working at home, so when I've got a few minutes spare I'll pop out, fit these, and then tomorrow night I'll take another video of how bright they are, so you can see the comparison between the two. The bulbs that are in there at the minute are just 501 LED bulbs from Halfords. From what I understand, these should be A lot brighter, and two, they'll be the same colour. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay, so I decided to do this at night. I've already fitted one, as you can see. Still got to do this one. What you're going to need is a thin flathead screwdriver, and basically you're going to need to wedge it up into here, pop this out, and then replace it. The connection that these new LED bulbs use is the 501 socket, so you actually plug it into the existing wiring, which is good. So what I'll do, because I can't do this one-handed, I'll get the holder out and then I'll show you. Okay? The one was in exactly the same way, it was all discoloured around there. So, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Right, I'm putting the phone down for a minute. Right, so the bulb's out. Yeah, as you can see, it's a 501 socket. Really don't like the way these have discoloured, but it's like that with that one as well. So, right, when I'm not dropping torches and stuff. This needs to be plugged back into that. I'm hoping, again, that I can do this single-handedly. Yeah, I'm putting this down. Hold on. Right, it's in. What I'd advise is when you plug it in, turn your lights on, make sure it's the right way around. If it doesn't light up, unplug it, flip it round, plug it back in. Simple. So let's get this plugged back in. Catch for it's on this side, so let's push you back in there. And the clip, I don't know if you can see it, is on this side. So we should. Why is it the one that I don't film is really simple to put in, and the one that is a pig is the one that I'm filming? Right, after a bit of fiddling around, I've managed to get it in there. It feels so it's as secure as it's going to be. This one is in there as well. So yeah, and the reason for it, if I can find it, the reason I was having the problems is this was in there. It was kind of wedged up somewhere around here. Pulled this little dude out, and jobs are good. Right, now to test the lights. Yeah, they're a bit brighter than my old ones. I'll try and do like a side by side so you can see what they were like. But these are definitely a bit better.